if you're not doing something new, if you don't have an LTO, you're not being forward in this industry, especially now with the power of social media and the younger generation wanting to see what else is new, you're gonna fall behind. And something that right now is very popular is protein. Everybody wants to have protein in their meals, so it's a big push for that. The fact that we are able to create the egg bite that's very protein forward gave us a lead on this trend. Something that I'm very excited right now working with majority of my customers is seeing how we can push protein forward in different aspects, except outside of your regular piece of chicken breast or piece of beef, like something new that you can also enjoy with your everyday meals. I think sous vide is perfect for a lot of fast casuals, QSRs, pretty much any restaurant, not only for the safety aspect to it, because you get a longer shelf life. You can make sure that no matter how the product is handled internally, whether you have a fully equipped kitchen or you only have a few people in the back of the house, you know your quality of product is always going to be safe, delicious, and consistent. So a lot of the national restaurant chains are adapting sous vide into their kitchen. So having also a global footprint with our plants in Thailand, France, and Brazil has helped us put sous vide in every kitchen so we can create something that's unique and provide the safety, the quality, and the consistency that they're looking for. At the end of the day, I don't consider myself a salesperson. I consider myself more of a partner, and I love having conversations with the chef about where their vision is at and where they want to go forward. So I always tell them, if you want to try something weird, something wild, and something like creative, just let me know. I'll say yes, I want to try it. Weird sometimes is good because, that kind of gets the attention nowadays. So I like to see where the industry is going and what else we can find. My name is Gabriela Pool. I am the National Accounts Manager for National Restaurant Chains.